Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes on this beautiful sunny day in February. And yeah, I'm wearing shorts because it's about 67 degrees, so right at that cutoff for me to feel comfortable. Guys, I'm here at Vines at Mill Creek, built by MERITAGE Homes, a renowned builder here in Georgia. And this is located in Braselton, so a new construction community. It's been around for a little while. I would say since March of last year, 2025. But the reason why I'm doing this is because I need to highlight two things to you guys. Number one, there is a new model home we're gonna take a look at that just got completed about 2 months ago. And then this is a great area for families to buy in because of the school district. So this is right on the edge of Beaufort, but it's in the city of Braselton. And here you've got Mill Creek High School, as well as the other good elementary school and middle school rankings that would be great for starting a family. And these are single family homes. As you know, sometimes it's hard to find a good single family community unless if you go in the outskirts of Metro Atlanta and where the schools are not necessarily great. Here you're still in a good area. I wouldn't say the outskirts quite that far. And again, good school district right here, Vines at Mill Creek. MERITAGE Homes, they are known for their foam insulation. Some say is superior or more efficient in certain ways versus blown in fiberglass insulation or cellulose because it keeps the attic cooler. Therefore, it keeps your bill, your electricity bill in the summer also down, where you're not gonna have to pay so much over the course of your ownership of the home. So let's take a look at what these model homes have to offer.